passive income that could give you 100,000 per month, guys, no? So again, marami nagtatanong, marami nagme-message, marami nagko-comment regarding this post, no, in one of our personal finance page, itong Pinoy Financial Planning. Follow nyo, guys, no, kung di ka pa naka-follow. So marami nagtatanong nga sa atin, ano ba yung mga investment that could give us 100,000 naman? So actually, wala naman limit, no? But again, hindi naman agad-agad din na pwedeng 100,000. So it depends on your investment and of course the investment rate, no, or your dividend rate or yung return on investment na tinatawag, no. So there's many assets there, no, hindi lang assets, may mga systems na pwede kang gawin to generate passive income din to reach this 100,000, no, and may mga investments nga. So unahin natin yung mga investments. Of course, ang paborito ko lagi, and this is again, guys, to share lang that this is my personal goal lang, to have this 100,000 a month passive income and more, no, coming from my investment. So pinaka paborito ko, no, is yung REITs, so real estate investment trust. So may mga example niya, Ayala REITs, Citicorp REITs, CTC REITs, 'di ba? RCR, Robinsons, 'di ba? So meron din tayo Mega World, no. So you can check those REITs, no. So again, may mga post din tayo regarding this. So if you want, they are mandated by law naman to give dividends, no? So maybe around 4 to 6% yan yung mga dividends niya, no, every year. So of course may mga gusto rin tayo like rentals, no. So I mean to real estate din. So yun yung mga gusto natin nagbibigay ng passive income. Of course meron din mga dividend stocks na tinatawag, no. So usually 3 to 6% din. So yung upcoming IPO, Maynilad, no, malaki daw magbibigay yung dividend rate noon, around 7% daw, no. So of course may mga companies din currently listed, no, sa stock market na nagbibigay ng magandang dividends like Metrobank, no, Globe, Meralco, etc. So you can check those companies out, no. These are publicly available naman if you want to check their dividend rates, no. So of course may mga other instruments din, paper assets like treasury bills, high yield savings accounts, bonds, no, na nagbibigay ng dividendo. So again, marami namang assets, no, like if you're into crypto, if you stake your crypto, 'di ba? Pwede rin magbigay ng interest or income, no, na tinatawag. So marami pang assets, like if you want naman not just investments, may mga systems like affiliate marketing, creating digital content like this, no. So yung mga videos mo, once mo lang create, tas it could generate income for you then. And of course, digital products, etc. So again, maraming possibilities that you could, investments and systems could give you income, no. So kahit na nagawa mo lang siya once, twice, no. But again, it will take time, no? Wala namang instant unless if you have a big capital talaga na nalo ka sa loto na pwede mo invest agad that could give you generate income agad na ganyang kalaki, no. So again, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, comment down below. At the same time, message me and follow me